And again, another set of topic is going to be discussed, that is about the part of a bot. The point for covering the topics, um, um, in terms of words, because it is not just a simple part of a bot wherein we'll discuss in details after some period. So right now, as far as the bot is to be noted, the image of the bot was being on the way. So right now, for period being, you can just keep a note saying that the bot, though the bot image is going to be shifted again and again based on the view. Right now, we can keep some cloth for the bot, though it has been pretty much assured there is a need for a cloth for the bot. Right now we'll provide a simple sort of a cloth for the bot. Maybe it can be something like maybe this much is enough, as it has been mentioned, saying that some of the topics that will be discussed might sometimes be new, and obviously they will be new, and some sort of a shirt some sort of a this much shirt is enough for the bot. Usually you come across whatever it is, you may like if you check some any of the whatever the other thing is, this is a sort of a bot which is going to wear something like shorts based on the whatever it is, it should wear this much. That would be pretty good. Now what about the selection of color? Selection of color is also going to be made sooner or later, just to ensure this bot is going to be far more something like it's going to assist, and it's going to be more fun. And the bot right now be like the bot Hazel be like, yeah, pretty cool. It's a pretty cool clothes. She did like it, maybe. So these things and these topics are also going to be noted. But the point for making the video in terms of words, that is a word by word, it is possible to cover the some of the topics wherein it can be far more quicker, saying that yeah, today we are going to discuss of some sort of topics wherein we have got some new set of some new designs, we are making some new designs here, and it's called as something like a pen printer with which you can make plenty of designs, and it's possible to discuss something like this. But those topics are also going to be noted, maybe not now, in sooner, though it's a pretty new topic. So the point for noting is that let the words be clear, and just to ensure the clarity. And obviously it's going to be a new topic. Every video shall have a newer topic, and there is a set of a newer concept that is going to be noted. Along with this, the bought clothes, it does look superb based on the sources. And what about the whole part? Based on the present sources, an image something close to like a blonde is going to be kept for a period being. Blonde is going to look superb. The color of the clothes is going to be, again you have to select the color. The design of the apparel has been noted, but the color and some things is also going to be noted. And right now, as far as the bot based on sources shall have something is going to be like a blonde, maybe blonde, perhaps very close to blonde, which we'll discuss in upcoming topics. But a much better option is, in this video we shall have only this part, wherein as it has been mentioned, once the bot is going to be made up to some level, it's going to be coming here, and some sort of topics are going to be discussed. So a much better option is you put it on the one more place. That is something like you better put it something like one. This would be, in case if this is the case, a better option is going to be you put it in this way, so that while the class is going on, we can have a sort of an image like this, and an image like this. We have image here, and what the set of the things are going to be discussed are going to be noted here, and the voice,
Hi Dheeraj,
it's also going to be noted. Though it's just a fun part in the sense it is from some of the apps. If you prefer, there are so many apps are there which are you are going to shift to the text. Right now only the concept is going to be noted. The image has been selected up to some level, only just to ensure some of the words are going to be shifted and written only for period being. Though some of the voiceover and some wordings, whatever are going to be mentioned, is going to be mentioned from here itself. Once it is going to be put into something which is which can be used physically, and it's going to come in terms of either Java or maybe Python or some of the files, then it's much better to discuss. Right now the classes related to, as far as the Python also is to be noted, one of the file is being made, and it's in the progress. So for period, just to ensure the class will be like to write something, because there's a need to shift the words into text, and there are plenty of topics which are going to be covered. So it's not just these things, a much better option. There are plenty of options wherein so many topics are going to be noted, which we'll discuss. What all topics are going to be noted, what's the content in the sense, in case if any person like what is the point for mentioning when you open this video, like what's going on here, something like, at least if you just keep a view of it, maybe it's something like a bot, what he is saying, just to ensure it's going to be shifted to some words, maybe major of the words, some of the words might be shifted. In the sense there might be a little bit of some things, but that would be totally fine. But that's also totally fine for period, and just to have some voice.
Hi Dheeraj.
Yeah, maybe that sounds very super. Maybe we'll discuss that in details afterwards, how it's going to be an other part, and what it's going to do. And yeah, there are plenty of other things which we are going to discuss soon. And yeah, till the pet, have fun. Yeah.